Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to submit your Occupational Employment and Wage Statistics Report online for the Nebraska Department of Labor and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the survey. First, grab the letter or email you received from the Bureau of Labor Statistics OEWS program. Next, go to the website. Find your 13-digit identification number labeled IDCF number. Nebraska IDs start with 31. Enter this into box 1. Complete the CAPTCHA in box 2, review the terms, and click I accept. You'll see a pop-up with the 30-minute time limit warning. Just click OK to continue. Step 2. Contact information. Now, fill in your contact and mailing info. This is important in case we need to clarify any data. Click Submit to move forward. Step 3. Report details. You'll now need to confirm your operating status, whether your business is open, closed temporarily, or closed permanently. You'll also verify if it was sold or merged, check your industry code, and report how many employees received a paycheck during the reference date. Answer each of the 5 questions carefully. You'll have space for additional comments too. Step 4. Data submission options. Please read the reporting instructions at the top of the page. Now choose how you'd like to submit your data. You can upload an Excel spreadsheet or enter the info manually. The upload option is best for larger businesses. Just make sure to include job titles, wages, and any tips or commissions. Include departments too. Filling these fields out correctly helps avoid follow-up calls. Step 5. Final review and submit. Review all the data you entered and make edits if needed. Once everything looks good, click Continue and then Send. That's it, your report is submitted. The final page will thank you for your submittal and let you know you will receive an email confirming your data submission. It is suggested to print this final page for your own record. Schools, please follow the instructions on the school templates carefully. Include grade levels, subjects taught, FTE status, and pay types to ensure accurate reporting. Questions or needing more information? Contact the state analyst at 402-471-9967 or visit our website neworks.nebraska.gov. Thanks for helping us keep labor statistics accurate and up to date.